Hey everyone, coming at you talking about crypto related stuff. Yo, you say something.
I don't plan to do any talking.
How are they supposed to hear that? That was super soft.
I don't plan to do any talking.
Let's scoot up a little bit.
Let's scoot up a little.
Hey, crypto team. Hey, you're on our crypto journey. Get ready for our new animated video thingy. Ha! Hey everyone, welcome to our crypto journey.
Hello.
Hi, we are wanting to talk to you today about, is Bitcoin a bubble? Is cryptocurrency, is this whole thing a bubble? Which means, what does that mean, Becky? What is a bubble?
Yes, let me look at my notes here. A bubble is the trade in an asset at a price or price range that strongly exceeds the intrinsic value.
Correct. That's so smart. You must have researched and wow.
Yes, copied that from somewhere
Yes,
else.
all of this information is probably copied or stolen. So just so you know.
Stolen. That's not.
Copied, borrowed. All right, we're not going to take all day here. We're going to get to the point.
Let's move on.
Is Bitcoin a bubble? Is cryptocurrency a bubble? Becky?
Are cryptocurrencies a bubble?
There you go.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It's a bubble.
It is a bubble.
They are a bubble.
They are a bubble.
Whatever.
However is the right grammatically way
correct.
to say it. Yes. Yes. It is going to blow up, people. And why is it a bubble? And I just want to explain that a little bit. So basically there are billions and billions. Right now the market cap today is at 550 billion. Yesterday it was at 650 billion. It's went down 100 billion. The other day it was at 750 billion. The other day it was at 440 billion. So much money coming into this market. And there are so many people and so many companies that are developing companies to be able to maximize and take advantage of this additional money to this market. So if you were a smart business person and you saw a company or a new market that has $550 billion in it, it would make sense to get involved in that. Even though some of these companies have no business in this market. They have no business. They don't have any value that they're really adding to it. The other day I saw a pizza token. That's a thing now. Today I saw banana tokens. Banana tokens, they are using the technology of the blockchain to help people purchase organic bananas. That's what we're dealing with right now. And so eventually this is going to come to a stop. And people are going to realize, the idea of it, the reason that it's so exciting is because, Bitcoin at one time was 13 cents or whatever. And now it's at 13,000, or something like that, 12,500. Who can keep track? It goes up and down so fast. It's horrifying. Oh my gosh. But it went up so much that, people continue to invest in these companies because, they start off at a penny, 2 pennies. And the banana token might only be 3 pennies or a fraction of a penny. But one day, if these organic banana lovers really, really love their organic blockchain bananas, then they will make some money. Who knows? Maybe it can go up to 5 cents. Maybe it can go up to $1. And so people continue to invest. Therefore, eventually this is all going to come to an end. Do you agree with that?
Yes. My notes say yes, I agree.
Yes. So with that said, is there still opportunity for people to make money? And is there still an opportunity to be wise in this market and actually, make some good investments? Let me just say, they're hard to find right now. I'm it's a very risky thing right now. As far as good investments, there are investments that you can make a lot of money off of, but are they good investments? I don't know, Becky. And so, what should a person use if they're interested in getting invested into this market?
Something we like to call speculative capital, which basically, I'll read you this long, drawn out definition.
That she researched and figured it all out. I mean, we didn't take this from anybody.
We didn't steal, that's right. Money intended for risky investment is your first bit of information there. These investments sometimes have large payoffs, but also have a very high, which I wrote in all caps for you, risk of loss. You should only put the amount of money into speculative capital that you are willing to lose, to throw in the trash, to disappear, to be no more.
That's right. If you are interested in, potentially making 5 times your money, that's maybe, I don't know, a 10% chance that you get 5x on it. But there's a 90% chance that it all go away. Then this is the market for you. This is the market for you. It's really exciting. But I also believe, and I am very confident about this, and the reason is blockchain technology is basically the Internet 2.0. I've mentioned this before that, the idea of it is the Internet, whenever it was first developed, we did not have enough processing power for it to be secure. And so by utilizing everybody's network and everybody's computing powers, the blockchain is a secure Internet. And so it's an Internet 2.0. And there are companies that are going to, quote me on this.
Quote.
Well, no, don't.
Wait a second.
What am I talking about?
Let me call our legal team.
That is
and
foolish.
Taxes.
Forget about
taxes.
Let's go back. Okay, don't quote me on this, but there will be companies, I believe that there will be the next Amazons, the next Googles, the next, PayPals and eBays, these large companies that are started right now, are in development right now, because the blockchain is not going anywhere. That's one thing that's not going anywhere. Blockchain and blockchain technology not going anywhere. It's going to be right here tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, and the next day after that. Bitcoin, on the other hand, I think that because of its store value, the idea of it, I think it's going to stick around at least for another few years. But I am leaning toward, as a better investment, is Ethereum. Ethereum is a coin, a token, or I don't think it's a token. I think it's a coin that you can buy. It's the number 2 coin right now, right under Bitcoin. But what is Ethereum, Becky? It's written down there.
I'm like,
she researched this and did this homework all on her own.
Yeah, right. At its simplest, Ethereum is an open source platform based on blockchain technology that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications.
That is perfectly
you need a definition
sensible.
For your definition.
Yes.
Now.
So Ethereum is a network. It has a coin, but it is a network that allows other developers use it to build their own coins and their own network. So it basically uses, the way I like to think about it, and this is probably completely inaccurate, please don't quote me on this one either, but in my mind, I like to just give an example of something and make it make sense to me. It's like an iPhone, it's like a app store, you can, a developer can get on the Apple and create a app for the App Store, and then it's distributed through the App Store or whatever. I think this is probably totally wrong, but Ethereum's like a network that other developers, there's so many other companies out there.
I feel when I talk about this.
There are so many other companies out there that have already built their product on the Ethereum network. And so it's like the Ethereum network is here to stay. It is here And it's from what I have heard from just researching and listening to podcasts and blah blah blah, is it's light years ahead of, or not light years, but a long way ahead of other similar companies that are doing the same thing. There are EOS is another network. It's not just a coin like Bitcoin is. It's just a coin. It's just a transfer of value. Ethereum is a entire network that you can build applications that can do their own thing. I bet the banana token or whatever it was called is probably built on the Ethereum network. I bet the pizza token probably built on the Ethereum network. So therefore, it is not going away, in my opinion. I believe it's probably going to overtake Bitcoin right now. They're at like $1,000 per token, but Bitcoin's at like 12 or whatever. I see Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin at some point. So that's just my opinion. I don't know. We don't know. Quote us on it. No.
Quote us that we don't know.
Quote us that we don't know. Yeah. But anyway, that's all I got. Becky, you got anything?
No.
All right. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to like. Make sure to put the notification thing on. Make sure to subscribe. Hey, we have a whole 8 subscribers.
Yay!
We hope you liked our new video introduction thing.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. We're trying here. And I don't know. Go to the Facebook group. Our Crypto Journey Facebook group. So subscribe. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, go to Coinbase. Link below. Easiest. Or if you want to buy some Ethereum, here you go. Go to the Coinbase and buy you some Ethereum. I don't think it's a bad investment.
But we don't give investment advice.
Yeah, that should be. Yeah. All right. That's it. Goodbye.
Press your button.